Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, and I'm getting a late start here. I didn't do any vlogging during the day today. Just very busy day today, so I didn't get to do it during the day. But I'm home, and I got myself a nice package in the mail. Gonna repair the GoPro casing. GoPro wanted $50 for a new case because the plastic clip on them are cheap as hell, and it broke off. $50 for a new case. I found a new aluminum clip, supposed to just clip right on, cost me $7. So if it doesn't work, I'm out $7. So I'll show you basically the repair and opening of the new clip for my GoPro casing. So let's go to it. Right. Let me preface this first by saying I have incredibly shaky hands, so I do apologize for that. But this is my GoPro case. It's not sure whether the camera will pick it up, but the two clips right in here broke. So I have to replace this part right here. So let's open up the package that I got. And this is the new piece. It's a fairly okay package. Doesn't have to be anything spectacular. Now we'll just tear it open. And there we go. Okay, so that should replace right in there. That's how easy this is to get out. Came out fairly easy, and it is aluminum. It's a little bit heavier. Let's see how this goes in. And goes in like that. I think that's it. I think that's the whole installation process, and then that grabs that, clips close. There we go. That was nice and easy. Just replace the piece. The GoPro, you want it $49 for a new case for something really cheap that you built. Another company, $7. Replace the whole thing. Right, one other thing, this is the GoPro4 casing. I just got to reiterate, I had said to go and buy the parts. Be careful who you get the parts from. Now these fixtures I bought from an off-market brand. And one of the problems that I have with it, how does this go? Let's go like this now, is they don't line up. They're really difficult to line up. This one, I think I bent it and melted it so that it does. But the same thing, even the screws, now they, of course you're not going to come out. The screws are cheap. But let's see how this works, whether I got it in right. See what I mean by the screws? This is like that. I can always move it. Okay. Should just slide right through. See how it doesn't line up there? I want that set up because this here goes on my windshield, and I don't want it falling off while I'm driving. So that's still movable. Okay, this has the open case, so what I'm going to do is I'll take the GoPro4 case. What I wasn't liking with this is this door has basically a rubber padding to hold the GoPro inside the case. And this one's designed for the 3. Well, the 4 silver, which I have, has a screen. And it was pushing up against the screen, and I really didn't like that, but that's all I had. Let's make sure this clasp works. And it opens up. GoPro out. Put it in its own case. There we go. This. There it goes. It turns on. Okay. There's this monitor, the screen. And as you can see, this is touch screen. Okay, so that all works. Okay. Make sure the record works. Nice, one touch. And it's recording right now. Okay. So I am happy. That worked beautifully. It was nice and easy. And my GoPro's all set now. That repair was incredibly easy. Oh, I hope the rest of the night goes like that. Yeah, so now I got my GoPro case back. Got the new clip on it. Alright, so I'm going to focus on that nut on my face. Oh. If you break your GoPro case, go online, look for the parts. They're really easy to fix. And a lot cheaper than just buying a whole new piece. And that's what I did. Got a nice, my GoPro case is all set. And Jessica can get her case back now. So, I'm going up. We're going to be eating supper in a few seconds. We're going to have spaghetti and meatballs for supper. And I will get back with you throughout the night. Alright, so that clip worked beautiful. Did exactly what it was supposed to do. My GoPro is nice and happy right now. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to that clip in the description below with a screen print of the company that I bought it from. Member Amazon Prime, shipped free. I think it was $7.98 off the top of my head. I'm trying to remember. Well worth it. So I'll let you know if I have any problems with it, but so far it doesn't look like I'm going to. So as for a review for this clip, I give it an A+. Excellent job. Great, easy repair. It is about 7 o'clock. I'm out on the deck. It is absolutely gorgeous out. I got blue skies up above me.